Let's see how many widgets we have not covered yet. This one here is no doubt the actual root widget, which we're calling Treebard. In other words, the app, which is a dialog. We've got buttons, we've got the root dialog, we've got entries, and we've got top levels. This is a top level window. That's 4 things that haven't been done yet. So let's do 4 more. We're going to have a top level, no reason to change its name, based on TK top level. We need 2 more. This is going to be button. We need more options here. Entry. Entry's normal background is highlight BG. We need to change the cursor color for one thing. Go over here to widgets. In the old version we had a collection of things that we need to do. Button, and we'll just copy that for reference. Got this one. This is not exactly like I did before. It's simpler and more direct and straightforward. I'm still mystified by why it works on the dynamic widgets, why it's just up and working. So I never had that happen before. Always had to do special stuff. I understood it when I figured it out and then immediately forgot it because it's a little bit smarter than I was. PG. That ought to do it. Entry. Oh, it's got all kinds of stuff. Let's just copy all this stuff. See how this grows and grows. Let's copy this because it's going to be almost identical. I forgot font. This is going to be output font because it's a table. It's going to show things that are in the database as opposed to primarily taking input. It's going to do both. On an entry, we're going to say input font. Put this over here then. Cell. Change this, input font. Cell. Input font. Top level's easy, and that should cover it except for the root. the app itself, which is a dialog, but it's the main dialog. This is top level. Well, I'll find out what I missed by doing this. I don't want that line there. If I missed one, then this is where I'll find out with a key error. Okay, now the only widget that isn't caught by that magical function I have that recursively finds all widgets in the root is the root itself. That won't be found, but I know what it is. That'll work until I change the color. So where's the colorizer? Let's see if we got everything. Button's not right, top level's not right, the entry's not right, something's wrong here. But before I worry about what's not right about that dialog that opens up, how about the root itself? I don't see that button change to the right color. I forgot to change to the custom widgets. This is now going to be just plain top level instead of TK top level. I still need to make one for that. This. Any more TK widgets here? Just that label. So the label's not going to be the right color yet. Did you see that? It's starting to slow down a little bit. There you go. Now see it changed to the right color when you clicked it. You can make this button a different color, but I don't think they need to stand out that much. It's already got the sculpturing and the little dots that you can barely see and all that. Oh look, everything except the little labels. Now what's going to happen when I click OK? I told you there's going to be a key error. So it's just going to be a plain label. This is going to be output font. Change to the new label instead of the old Tkinter label. There you go. However, what happens here? But all this is right. Okay, just for the fun of it, let's see what happens if we don't close it. There it is. If you don't destroy that dialog, what's going to happen? Is it going to change colors too? It might, because we're using root as its parent, and that's why. There you go. This font didn't change. I fell short of my duty. FG, font, output, font. There you go. See, these are two different fonts. This is an input font, and this is an output font. See you next time.